उसी ने इसको बोलना सिखाया।
الشمس والقمر بحسبان
सूरज और चांद एक हिसाब मुकर्रर चल रहे हैं। गुलामों का कफन मेला नहीं होता, ज़मीं मेरी नहीं होती, ज़मन मेला नहीं होता। मोहम्मद के गुलामों का कफन मेला नहीं होता। मोहब्बत कमली वाले से जो जज्बा है, सुनो लोगों, ये जिस्म में समा जाए, वो मन मेरा नहीं होता। मोहम्मद के गुलामों का कफन मेला नहीं होता। गुलों को चूम लेते हैं सहर नम शबनमी कतरे, गुलों को चूम लेते हैं सहर नम शबनमी कतरे। नबी की नात सुन लें जो चमन मेरा नहीं होता। मोहम्मद के गुलामों का कफन मेला नहीं होता।
के मसले हैं या जो भी उनको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्लियर नहीं हो रहा, उनका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्लियर
of the teacher, so therefore fair work is better. Okay. Importance of this language, first of all. The importance of language, English language. Okay. Okay. Now, we'll do one thing. Madam, आपने तो तस्वीर पहले ले ली, मगर ये तो thank you. Okay, बेटा इसको close कीजिए, totally close कीजिए। अच्छा, मेरे साथ एक बुरी आदत ये है, मैं स्लाइड से पढ़ाता हूँ और पढ़ाने के बाद स्लाइड नंबर 3 पे हूँ, बंद कर देता हूँ। और कहता हूँ यार जरा सा आ जाना यहाँ, अभी मैंने स्लाइड 3 में क्या क्या पढ़ाया था, जरा रिपीट करना। समझ गए क्यों करता हूँ? अच्छा, उसके बाद फिर उनको कहता है यार देखो ये मेरा हाथ देख रहे हो, ये जंग के ज़माने में रेडार है, ये रेडार का काम करता है, ठीक है, आप लोग इसको देखिएगा। तो ये फिंगर जो हमारा मूव करता है, मैं कहता हूँ अच्छा अगर आप बताइए, हाँ फिगर देखिए, ठीक है, ये रेडार काम करता है। अच्छा, कैन यू कम एंड डिस्कस व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन स्लाइड नंबर 3? ओके ओके मैडम, कैन यू कम एंड डिस्कस व्हाट इज इन स्लाइड नंबर 4? So what is the effect of this? I'm teaching you practically, not teaching sharing. I'm sorry, I cannot teach you. Are very honorable and having most latest and most. Okay. So what happens? There are two things, three things behind it. The reason is behind it is when they know that Sir Anzar will ask a question to anyone, So he or she is paying 100% attention. पढ़ा रहा हूँ, एक स्लाइड बंद करके बेटा आप आ जाइए जरा सा, जो मैंने कहा है आप उसको रिपीट कीजिए। नहीं सर ये वो 14 साल तो रेटिफिकेशन करके आए हैं, यहाँ आकर के बोलना बहुत मुश्किल काम है। He will not, she will not come. I say okay, come and speak half a sentence. One sentence, I will be very happy. He speaks. Okay, then I call second or third one. In the second week, what happened? The same student starts speaking 3 or 4 sentences. By the end, because we have got 16 week course, 4 months. Okay, so encourage your students. What will happen? Most of the teachers, they complain that we have discipline problem. Discipline problem is not a problem, it is your problem. Okay, like for example, if I say that, I will be just asking you a question. Yeah. Talk to in a new phase. That's why when I am doing this job, teacher trainer, so when I am doing job, I make group and I shuffle the groups, change the groups. If you are sitting with him now, tomorrow again, I will change the group because you are familiar with him, you are his friend now. The confidence level, the graph which will go up will be reduced. But if you are sitting with a new face, new student, your confidence level will keep on enhancing, climbing up. Anyway, so this was the reason why I asked my students to come and repeat. So whenever you are teaching, I observe class here also. I go to many schools. Then at the end of this, I just talk to the teacher. I said, did you give chance to the student to say something? इसमें एक चीज़ और मैं भूल गया जो कि उस पर करता था। आप में से मैथ्स के टीचर्स बहुत सारे होंगे, मैथ्स कौन कौन पढ़ा? कैन यू रेज योर हैंड? ओके, अच्छा, ये जो 2 बार बनाते हैं इसमें 0x और y, तो x 0 पर x किधर राइट साइड पे लिखते हैं या ऊपर लिखते हैं? नहीं, मैंने L शेप में एक ग्राफ बनाया, ठीक है ना? तो हमारा जो है ये एक बेस है, एक ऑल्टीट्यूड, ठीक है ना? तो 0 सेंटर में x आप राइट पे लिखेंगे या लेफ्ट लिखेंगे? और y को कहाँ ऊपर लिखेंगे या राइट साइड में लिखेंगे? जी हाँ, x और y जो है ना, x y, तो x where will you place x? ठीक है, आपने ये L शेप में एक फिगर बनाया है, ठीक है? सेंटर में आपने 0 लिखा। अब मुझे x लिखना है, तो जो बेस 9 जा रहा है उसके राइट साइड में x लिखेंगे या वहाँ y लिखेंगे, और जो टॉप पे लाइन जहाँ शुरू हो रही है वहाँ, ठीक है? अच्छा, बहुत सिंपल है। मैंने ये क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछा?
आंसर तो आप देंगे ना कि आपने क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछा?
हाँ, तो मतलब कि आपके होंगे ये सवाल पूछने की क्या जरूरत थी? जैसे पढ़े लिखे था। Thank you very much. Yeah, to give you very active, yeah, function in your brain. Everybody started thinking.
X के बाद Y आता है, सीक्वेंस में।
ठीक, जब तो अभी के सब लोग सोच रहे थे, आपने सोचने का मौका दिया कि हमने पढ़ाते वक्त अपने बच्चों को सोचने का मौका देते
ताकि एक्टिव हो जाए।
या अपनी तकरीर जा रहा हो, बेचारी बच्ची, बच्चा पीछे सो रहा। Do I make him active, alert, to give a chance?
Depend for teacher.
Yeah.
जो कितना एक्टिव रखती है।
तो that is, मैं बहुत सारे हमारे ये टीचर्स करती हैं, लेकिन कोई 1-2 नहीं करते, परवाह नहीं करते। तो it is sort of reminder. Are we doing this? If not, we will be following it to activate them. Okay. Now I have given you the paper, pencil. Okay. Can you note down some of the advantages of teaching English language? Okay. Just 3-4. Sorry, madam. You can also have no problem. You are now. Yeah. Now I'll be treating you are very respectable, honorable teachers. But now I'll be teaching you, treating you like students for 5-10 minutes. Okay. Please don't mind. Yeah. You have the paper. Just note down some of the points. Okay. ये काम एक्चुअली हम जो है ना ग्रुप में कराते हैं, ग्रुप लीडर बनाते हैं और ग्रुप में 5 या 4। तो उससे फायदा ये होता है कि वो 2-2 का हम पेयर बना लेते हैं, एक को लीडर बना लेते हैं, ठीक है? 5 that is from group work. Okay, so we have to do the group work and pair work.
We are bound to learn their language because we have to do trade, commerce, business study, okay, cultural transformation, all these things have to be done in the language of the country which is ruling you economically. They are our boss, masters, because of economy. So we have to learn their language. Okay. Any other point? Okay. Any other point? Yeah. Sir, आपके ध्यान में?
तारीख की तारीख की दायरे में शामिल है। इंसान को शोर बख्शती है, छोटे बड़े की तमीज़ सिखाती है, जीने का हुनर सिखाती है। और जो आयत है कि वह महाराज इंसान इंडिया ले आप लोगों
Thank you, sir. आपने कोई Good. This is really practical work. It's not that I'm just lecturing and you're not doing anything. You are participating. I'm nothing. I'm only just this little guy. That's why I use the word as mentor, facilitator, not teacher. Teacher, you are the teacher. Yes.
Language is important.
Yeah.
Because our mother tongue is Urdu.
Yeah.
Our syllabus is English. That's why we are.
Okay.
learning
Because of
English.
symbols. Thank you.
One seminar. I was in the beginning lecturer of English only, but after 10 or 12 years in the Gulf, I was promoted to the HOD of English language. So we had 17 teachers in the department. 17. अच्छा, तो हम क्या करते थे कि by rotation, this week, sir, you will be doing some presentation on, for example, writing materials. Okay, authentic use of writing materials. So in this way, every 15 days, every teacher has to present a topic. When you present, I learn from you. Now he is ready, he is thinking of a topic and getting ready for fortnight. After 2 weeks, he will present. So in this way, all the 17 teachers in my department, they used to present the topic. So for presenting topic, you have to look here and there, search for it. So that gives you a sense of research and motivating yourself. And then he also knows that well, my speech or my presentation should be much better than her. So she did it like this, I will be doing better. So we develop a sense of competition among the tutors, among the facilitators, among the mentors. So by rotation, everyone has to take part in a topic every 15 days. And I'm sorry, I can say in our school, nobody does that. Maybe it's after 6 months, after 1 month. This is, peer training, self-training, Presentation should be done, so wherever you go, presentation should be done by one of the teachers. She will volunteer or he will volunteer. In this way, okay. Have you done it? Can you read one of the points? Or 2 points from you? आप उसको बहुत सुने, अगर आपके साथ मैच कर रहा है तो उसको आप क्रॉस करते हैं, because वो एक ही पॉइंट को 2 आदमी पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? ये इनका जो पॉइंट आप में
सर एडवांटेज ये होता है कि हमें बहुत सी चीज़ें अपने को टीचर से सीखने को मिलती हैं, हम अपने आइडियाज
Okay, so we can learn a lot of things from our co-teachers. Okay. Of formalities completed because that is an outline, but inside the syllabus try to add more and more. Okay, now we come back. I gave you these 2 examples. The person claiming that I am an expert in chemistry, never think that you are an expert. I have totally given my example. Almost I've been completing 50 years of teaching. Okay, but still I feel that every day I have to study. Another example is that the doctors who passed their MBBS maybe 35, 40 years ago, they didn't have cancer, they didn't have AIDS, there was no COVID at that time. So if those doctors having MBBS degree, they feel that I'm an expert doctor, I've got 40 years of experience. Bullshit, they are nothing, they know nothing. They are just something like a nurse, senior nurse, because they have not updated their knowledge. They have not done any courses, diplomas on cancer, on AIDS or any other medicine. Okay? So anyway, so keep on learning. Even, for example, the IT people, they have done their BCS, MCS, but they have not done short courses updating themselves. So they will be lagging behind, they won't get a job. Anyway, so now we start our work. So please keep 2, 3 things in your mind. First of all, First of all, we should be very much reading, updating ourselves, okay, and according to the needs of the society, our syllabus should be flexible. It should not be very strict, okay. Follow the syllabus, but not to that extent that it hampers the growth and development of our students. Okay, these are the requests. And before you enter, you just have planning. Planning is again very important. This is, I'm just telling you in addition to. For example, today I came out from my house. If I didn't have any plan to come to Zeal Grammar School, I would have gone to Safari Park or Oxford or Clifton walking with my friends because I didn't have any plan. I might have gone to the airport because there was no plan. So plan should be there, and I insist on my teachers that they should do the weekly planning, monthly planning, whatever it may be, and decide what you are going to teach. Collect some material. Otherwise, believe me, we are cheating, not teaching. Sorry. And some people come in this profession only to just pass their time. Some people come by force. Some people come by choice. You try to come by choice. Then you will be productive. Okay. So we will start now because I was actually trying to elongate it so that we can have more audience. So I mean that because we never, even in the classroom, we have 75, 90, 85 students. And one thing more, I always come down and go to the last bench. Here I find some students using mobile phone. I just take it, lock it in my cupboard and call the parents. I say, this is a gift from your son. You're spending maybe 1,40,000, 1,80,000, 1,50,000 for one semester, and this is the product of your son. So a teacher has to be very active in the class. I never sit in the class. We have lectures for 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, minimum. Okay, sir. Sir, now we are going to discuss about, can you stop it for a time being?